Hello everyone. Today I just want to share about my editing style that I have been using for a long time as somebody who has been doing this for a while now, on and off for different projects. So my style is based around knowing the pacing of videos. How does a video move from one place to another? I like to see clips as clips that needs to be connected together. Editing is all about cutting and connecting at the end of the day. And seeing how things move from point A to point B to point C is and how to seamlessly connect them. Not seamlessly per se, but something that allows it to okay, it moves to point A, then it moves to point B without any kind of jank, and then it moves to point C. That's basically how I edit. And to test this is a test project in Adobe Premiere. And this is my clips. This is from a montage that I'll be doing in another video. And this is basically me in 3 separate instances trying to trying to do something over in a place, and the goal here is to tell that I am going to a ledge and looking at the sea. So here is me walking to the ledge. So we're gonna put it here. We're gonna for the purposes of the recordings, we're going to mute the volume of the recordings. So we're gonna do it here. Right, let's first do this here. Move this here. Move this here. Lower the volume. No volume, no volume. So here is me walking through the ledge. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Go down. Go to the right. Move, 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 move. There we go. We're here. Second clip is me putting the camera lens down. Putting the camera lens down into the ledge and slowly moving it up. Slowly, 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 slowly. Focus to the horizon. Slowly go up. Slowly go up, slowly go up, slowly go up. And third one is the money shot. Basically, the view of the bay. Move up, move to the right or to the left. Go, move, 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 move. We move over there. Move the camera up to the sky just for some movement to go back to the beginning. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. So basically, to edit this, there's a few things that I have to do here. Basically, the objective now is to know the timing, is to know the specific timings to where to cut, so that it moves from here to here without feeling jank. Because when you go here, when you see these two clips, they're two disparate clips. Like, how do you connect from here to here? You're gonna need a transition and you're gonna need a cut that makes sense. So in my here, I will tend to eyeball. I tend to play it off and on until I find the exact timing to cut. So here, I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking, I'm walking, 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 walking. And then when you see the point that you want to cut, which is right here, for me personally, I would cut here. You cut. So what we do is we do here. There's many ways you can cut here. You can do like this to shorten everything, and then you move everything back. And then that looks a little bit shank, so we're gonna add a little bit more. Because I think I would like to have some of that rising action again, but I don't know. It's all about time trial and error for my style. I tend to eyeball all the things so that I need to know what clip needs what edit. So yeah. keeps moving, and then we can actually cut here. This is the place that I want to cut. So we do it here, then we do it the exact same here, and then we just cut it. We do it here, we do it here, and then we move everything back over here. And then we add the transition so that it looks cleaner. We'll probably use a cross at the beginning. We'll move everything back. We're gonna use a cross. We're gonna move it here, and then we're gonna move it there, and then back here. Alright, so here there's nothing much I want to replace here. It's basically just me going up and then going up. All it just needs is a transition. Basically, I assume that it's basically like fine as it is, and then we move up. We can cut a little bit there because this is all redundant. The up motion is all we need, so we just probably need to move here. We move here, then move here, there. Then we add something to add towards that, so probably a dissolve. And then there we go. The final part is the movement towards here, which nothing much needs to change. I don't see anything that I would like to change here. So there we go. I would now add a dip to black for a cut towards the end, and then if I had audio, this would have like a crossfade that would fade away, and it fades away. This is just one example of how I would do things. It's basically like it's all highly my style is highly dependent on the clips that I have and what kind of concept do I want to do. Do I want to create motion? Do I want to make a montage that considers the flow of time? What video do I make and what clips do I have is basically like the two questions that I always have to answer every time I edit my videos. And at that point, you tend to now want to know, and then after that, you're gonna have to ask the questions every time you edit a clip. How do I want to make this flow from one place to another, etc., etc. So yeah, that's basically how I edited all of these. That's basically my editing style in a nutshell. It's something that many people can replicate since it's something that depends on your timings and knowing when to time. How I time is that I want, basically it's a mixture of guessing work and feeling it out. Where do you want to connect? Where do you want to cut? Asking those questions. It's all about asking the internal questions in your mind and then answering them through looking at your clips, seeing where things can potentially connect to, and then connecting it. So yeah, that's basically my editing style. I hope you guys have a wonderful time. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.